Picture windows are designed to make a statement. With their expansive glass and clean, uninterrupted views, they flood living spaces with natural light and create a strong connection to the outdoors. However, because picture windows do not open and often feature large panes of glass, proper installation is especially important. For homeowners in Washington, professional installation ensures picture windows perform beautifully, safely, and efficiently for years to come. Precision is critical with large glass panels. Picture windows are typically larger than standard operable windows, which means there is little room for error during installation. Even slight misalignment can cause stress on the glass or frame. Professional installers take precise measurements and prepare the opening carefully. In Washington homes, this precision helps ensure the window sits evenly within the frame, preventing future problems such as cracking, shifting, or seal failure. Preventing air and water infiltration. Washington's climate often includes rain, moisture, and fluctuating temperatures. If a picture window is not sealed correctly, water and air can easily penetrate the home. Professional installation includes proper flashing, insulation, and sealing techniques that protect the window opening. For Washington homeowners, this protection is essential to prevent drafts, leaks, and moisture-related damage. Supporting energy efficiency and comfort. Because picture windows do not open, they rely entirely on their seal and glass performance to maintain indoor comfort. Improper installation can allow energy loss around the edges of the window. Professional installers ensure tight seals and correct placement, allowing picture windows in Washington homes to deliver consistent indoor temperatures and improved energy efficiency. Protecting the structural integrity of the home. Picture windows are often heavier than operable windows due to their size and glass thickness. If they are not installed with proper support, they can put strain on surrounding walls. Professional installation ensures the window is properly supported and integrated into the structure. In Washington homes, this protects both the window and the surrounding framing from long-term damage. Ensuring long-term durability. Windows that are installed incorrectly may look fine initially but develop problems over time. Shifting, leaks, and insulation breakdown can shorten the lifespan of the window. Professional installation helps picture windows in Washington homes maintain their appearance and performance over the long term. Enhancing safety and peace of mind. Handling large glass panes requires experience and the right equipment. Improper handling during installation increases the risk of breakage or injury. Professional installers follow safety standards to ensure picture windows are installed securely and safely. For Washington homeowners, this provides confidence that the window is stable and reliable. Maximizing visual impact. Picture windows are often installed in prominent areas such as living rooms, dining spaces, or stairwells. Proper installation ensures the window is level and visually balanced. In Washington homes, professional installation helps picture windows deliver their intended aesthetic impact, creating clean lines and uninterrupted views. Protecting warranty coverage. Many window manufacturers require professional installation for warranty protection. Improper installation may void coverage if issues arise later. For Washington homeowners, professional installation helps protect their investment and ensures access to warranty support if needed. Tailoring installation to local conditions. Professional installers understand Washington's climate challenges and local building requirements. This local expertise ensures picture windows are installed with the appropriate materials and techniques to handle moisture and temperature changes. A smart investment for Washington homes. Picture windows can transform a home with light and views, but their performance depends on proper installation. For Washington homeowners, professional installation ensures picture windows are secure, energy efficient, and built to last. Investing in expert installation protects both the window and the home, delivering beauty, comfort, and peace of mind for years to come.